Okay, we're back with my son Gavin, and we're gonna get ready to make ice cream. So let me go ahead and put this down so I can help him, and we will show you how to do this. Okay, so the first thing you need is 1 cup of whole milk. 1 cup. So you're gonna get a cup of whole milk. Carefully pour it. Pour it in here through the spout. Kitty. Okay, and then you're going to get a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/2 teaspoon. We have to open it. I forgot to open it. Bite it. Show everybody how you bite it. Okay. Vanilla extract. That's why we have it over the towel in case he spills. Okay. Then you're going to get a 1/4 cup of sugar. 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay, so you got sugar, vanilla, and milk in here. What you're going to do is press the bag and try to get most of the air out as you can, because it's the best if you can get it. And you're going to Ziploc it. What I do is I kind of close most of it except right at the edge, and then I hold it and kind of push the air out of it. That way it can be mostly airless. Okay, so you're going to do that, and there's your ingredients for your ice cream. Okay, now you're going to get the large Ziploc bag, and you're going to put a 1/2 gallon of ice. Here, I'll help you. Okay, not quite 1/2 gallon, it's 2 trays. Hopefully we can get enough ice to do this, okay? And then we need rock salt or table salt, a 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup. Yep. Okay, so 1/2 cup of salt. That's not a 1/2 cup. It's got to be full. That's okay, go ahead and put that in with the ice. Okay, what happens is the rock salt actually causes the ice temperature to drop. So its melting point is way lower. Actually, instead of melting at 0 degrees Celsius, it actually starts melting at anywhere from -3 to -10. So that brings it cold enough where we can actually cool the milk down to where it is ice cream. Okay, so you're going to take your milk, sugar, vanilla, and you're going to put it inside the large Ziploc bag, and you're going to Ziploc this up. Make sure it's closed very well. Okay, and now you're going to start churning it. Okay, this is where you want to get your gloves, because this is going to get very, very cold, and so you're just churning this around. You can roll it. Okay, some people hold it in their hands and do this. Your whole objective is to get this ice cream frozen. Okay, it's going to take about 15 minutes. So obviously we're going to be doing this for a little while. You'll need to fast forward the video if you don't want to see just this ice cream being churned. Okay, go ahead and put gloves on if you want, or you can just continue to do this. Okay, however you want to do it. So for 15 minutes. Being careful not to cause the vanilla mixture, ice cream mixture, to break open inside the bag. You don't have to go so fast. There you go. And the reason why I have it on the towel is because eventually the ice is going to get so cold, condensation is going to form on the outside of the bag, because it's going to take the moisture from the air and it's going to condense it. It's going to actually cause the warm air to condense because the bag will get so cold that it'll actually condense the air and it'll start getting wet, okay? And so we will churn this for about 15 minutes or so, and then we'll check it.
Yeah, we used to do this.
Yeah, but that's, I roll it like that. Or like I said, some people hold it in their hands with the gloves. So if you hold it in your hands, make sure you use gloves because it gets cold. Your hands are going to be freezing. Painfully cold.
Do you ever get below 0?
Yes, it gets below 0. We've had recordings in the lab anywhere from -3 to -10 degrees Celsius.
Nice. This stuff is really good. Stuff is really good.
Yes. I've been told it tastes like Chick-fil-A ice cream. Don't go too fast because you might end up popping open the bag and there goes all your ice cream mixture. Show them the small bag. Stop for a moment and show them the small bag.
It should be getting
Okay,
a
you can
little
see how
harder.
it's starting. Put it over here. See how it's, hold it up. See how it's starting to get thicker and it's starting to hold shape. Okay, so that's exactly what you want until it's starting to turn into ice cream. Oops, can't look at it. Getting thicker?
Yeah.
You got that down to a science. You're in town.
I think it's done about.
Much thicker?
Yeah, very thick.
Very thick? Okay. We'll do like a couple minutes. Okay? Which is less than, he's gonna put the timer on. Which is actually less than the 15 minutes. So, you wanna make sure it's hardened because after this step we take the bag out and we're going to rinse it quickly under cold water because we got to get all the salt off of the outside of the bag. If you don't rinse the outside of the bag, you're going to get salt inside your ice cream because the outside of the bag has salt all over it. So when you pour it out, you would taste salt. Which I probably better tell them when they rinse it off.
Gosh dang.
Cold? Yeah, it's starting to frost, isn't it?
Yeah, the cow.
Yeah, it's frost. The towel is forming frost on it from the cold. Let me see if I can show it. Let's see. Can you see it? See how there's frost? There's actually frost there. So, very cold. Timer's off. Okay, what you're going to do is take the bag and put it in the sink. Bring it over to the sink. Okay, open up the Ziploc bag. You're going to take out the small bag. And then you're going to quickly rinse it off with cold water. Okay, that should be good. Okay, now you're going to come, show the consistency, press it, like show it. Okay, so it's really thick and hard, right? Okay, go ahead and take the Ziploc bag, open it up. And then you're going to take your spoon and scrape it out into the bowl as best as you can. This could make at least 2 servings or more. And this is actually a really good thing that you could do with your brothers and sisters if you have younger ones, or if you're just bored and you want a snack, because a lot of people have these products at their home. Very cold?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to say it again. The reason why we rinsed the outside of the Ziploc bag
Salt.
was because there's salt all over the small bag on the outside. And so if you do not, very cold, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And so if you do not rinse it off, you're going to get salt. You just got ice cream everywhere. Yes. You're going to get salt inside your ice cream, okay? So he keeps stopping because it's actually very, very cold on his hands. So very, very cold. You can scrape it out with a spoon if you want. Tastes good?
Yep.
Delicious. And of course, if you wanted to put toppings on this, if you have hot fudge or
I
any
would
kind of...
recommend putting on hot fudge because it's already melting.
Put hot
just
fudge?
gonna take
Okay,
this.
show me the ice cream. Show the end product. Okay, so here's the ice cream. And tell me how it tastes.
Good.
Well, say how it tastes. Delicious?
Yes.
Delicious?
Yes.
Okay.